Hi, you guys. I think we're gonna go for a little walk, see what's out there. Let's go for a little walk. There's this road over here by where I'm camped. Out here by Alamo Lake State Park. Camping for free. And there's Bella. Thought we'd go have a look-see. It's Friday. I've been enjoying this time out, and I love sharing it with you guys. We've been at least getting some videos made, some quality content. This is the beautiful Arizona desert. Let me see. Let's do that. Oops. Bella stopping to sniff. She thinks this walk's for her. But this walk's for you guys. Look at those mountains. That right there is an ocotillo, and those will get beautiful green leaves on it when it's been rained on. It's really pretty. Lots of donkeys. I hear donkeys all the time. I got some fighting yesterday. Whoops. Bella gotta take a pee-pee. Okay, come on, Booba. What's over the hill? I don't know. I hear donkeys right now. I don't know if the phone picked it up. Bella just wants to get on the other side, honey. Bella just wants to stop and sniff everything, just like Tinkerbell used to do. And there's the lake way over there. Such a beautiful day. Oh, wow. I saw someone camping over here when I first came here. Silly doggy. I love her so much. But she's still a puppy. She's learning though. She's learning manners. A really nice camp spot right up here. Oh wow, you can really see the lake from here. Beautiful. That's Alamo Lake, and that's outside of Wendon, Arizona. And where we're camping is on the BLM, and it's free up to 14 days. Down by the lake, you gotta pay for a campsite, but I think there's some places you can go. I just got her leash all wrapped up, sorry. That you can go and camp for free if you can get down there. There's a lot of washes. I tried to get down, but I couldn't. Not with my motorhome. Almost got stuck. Look at this. Somebody's fixed this up. Nice big campsite. You can put a big motorhome in here. And look at that, sir. Wow, how nice. Come on, Bella. I'm just gonna let her go, drag the leash, try to train her not to take off. That makes her really happy. The happy dog. A big old wash on each side of us. Ouch. Look at that. Sometimes that's full of water. All right, I think we'll head back. And we'll do another walk. We're gonna be here for about 4 more days. Another shot of the lake. It's bigger than that. Bella! Come on, baby. All right, you guys have a great day, because you know you can. Explore everything and enjoy life. Peace.